So now if we check back on the rules, right? The previous trend is supposed to be a smooth trend, but then check this one, it wasn't really that smooth. But then one thing that you can look at is that during this movement of this parabolic all right, there was a high, and then the next high within that movement was higher than the previous high, and then the retracement we have it, and then now we have a parabolic starting again. That's why we entered the trade. All right, and then it's starting from a higher low, okay, and then also waited for the stochastic to just be above 50, and then I executed that trade, and that's the reason why we won. All right, so basically if you keep following that, and then make sure that you're risking just 1% of your account. All right, but for me on this one, I'm just waiting for a very long period of time, just so that I just execute at least one trade per day, or maybe two trades if I lose the first one. All right, so yeah, that's what's up, guys.